Thank you so much for watching this video, and please make sure to subscribe this channel. So hex to dec formula. This function converts a hexadecimal number to its decimal equivalent. Formula details: hex to dec, then you just need to select your hexadecimal number. Formatting required or not, no special formatting is required, and this formula works in every single version of Excel. And we have a separate video in that we already explained hex to dec formula with near about 20 or 25 examples, so please check that video as well. So now move into HLOOKUP. Means VLOOKUP is very familiar, but we have HLOOKUP as well. So and this is very important formula, guys, same as VLOOKUP. So this function is scan across the column heading at the top of the table to find a specified item. When the item is found, it then scans down the column to pick a cell entry. HLOOKUP, very simple, same as VLOOKUP. ItemToFind, RangeToLookUp, RowToPickUp, RowToPickFrom, and SortedOrUnsorted. And again, no formatting is required. R formula. This function will show the R of the day based upon the time or a number. Formula details: you just need to mention R and select your number. Formatting required or not, this is very important. This result will be shown as a normal number between 0 to 23, and we have a separate video in that we already explained R, HLOOKUP, and hex to dec with multiple examples. One more thing, complete details is also available in this video description box, so please copy and paste for your future reference. Like this video, share this video, please subscribe this channel. We are the one who providing details related to Excel formula only, and we have a 200, 300, 400 videos, so please check those as well. Have a great future, have a great Excel knowledge.